Okay, here we go with our next drawing. This is going to be this one here, tutorial number 2. Draw a sketch of the model as shown in the figure by using the line tool. Alright, so this little horseshoe right here. So let's sketch this thing. Let's draw it again from the top. And it looks like we've got, this is 100 long by 15. And then we've got a radius of 25 and a radius of 40. So I'm going to guess that what it's trying to get us to do here, we have 100, and then 15. Let's go up 15. And we'll come back this way 100. Now, we want to go, let's draw some arcs here. I'm going to move this out. So let's create an arc. How do I want to draw this? Let's draw a 3-point arc. So let's go from here. This is supposed to be 25. So we're going to come over 25 and up 25, which would be here. I'm doing that wrong. Create an arc here and here. And place a point on the arc, which would be right here. Am I doing that correct? No, I put that in the wrong spot. Let's go arc, 3-point arc, right here, right here. That's where I want to be. And then right there, that's the center point. So that's over 25, up 25. Right there. So that's my arc. And then if I was to dimension that, you can see that has a radius of 25. I want to do the same thing with an arc, 3-point arc, here to here, right there. And if I dimension that, radius of 40. And then just duplicate what's down here, like that. And that is my shape. Finish that sketch. I have that. I can extrude that if I want. That is my horseshoe. Alright, so that is using the arc tool. It's funny because using the arc, that is one way to do it. If I was drawing this, as we will know how to draw things in the near future, we would just do it this way instead. I wouldn't make an arc. I would just make a circle like this, and draw another one here. What we would do is we would draw this as two circles. And then we would just use the trimming tool and basically cut these pieces away like that, which is much easier to do once you know how to do that. A lot of what we're going to do in these first couple weeks is learn the slower way to do things and then teach you the faster way to do things later on. But either of those is valid. Anyway, that is how to complete tutorial number 2.